Hey, I'm Sean Gaffner. I'm one of the owners here at Jefe's Tacos and Tequila on Main Street. Jefe's is really an expression of my first 18 years growing up eating off taco trucks out on the farm and my second 18 years as a fine dining chef. You'll find everything from authentic street tacos with carne asada or barbacoa, all the way to a seared ahi taco with a fresh ginger slaw. All of our meat at Jefe's is raised right here in Longmont. We really care about putting the freshest ingredients on every single taco and in every single cocktail. We went out to Boulder Taco Fest this year and brought home the trophy for the best taco in Boulder County. We do happy hour here every day where you can get $1 street tacos and $5 margaritas. We believe nothing goes better with tacos and margaritas than old school hip hop, so that's what we have playing in here 24/7.